Hello my queens, it's Dana Persia. I'm sure you know who Drew Barrymore is. She created this amazing line of cosmetics. You can get it in, I get mine in CVS, but I know there's other drugstores that carry it. But I get mine in CVS, and I'm going to show you this look from foundation, concealer, blush. Everything I've used is from Flower Cosmetics. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get notifications on more videos. Take care, my queens. Bye. The first thing I do is put on primer, and this is In Your Prime Hydrating Primer. It's really nice, especially if you have dry skin. Pressing it in is always. And now I'm doing concealer. I really like their concealer. It's really nice. This is Light Illusion. Notice I'm not drawing giant triangles on myself. And then I'm using a concealer brush, which I love, to blend. This concealer might be a tiny bit dark, I will admit. I bought it when I was a little bit tanner, but that's okay because I'm going to blend it in with powder. I always like to go into the corners, which are very dark, and use it in different areas of my face because I have some broken capillaries and little imperfections that I like to cover before I do foundation. I found her foundation really nice. This is Get Real Serum Foundation. So apparently there is a serum in here, so it's double duty. And this is soft sand, what I'm using, and applying it over the concealer that I had used to spot treat and just blending it in. The next thing I'm going to do is my concealer hack, which is taking some setting spray and putting it on the back of your hand and just tapping it under the eye. I did a short Instagram video on this. This is an amazing hack. I love this. I have horrible under eye circles and I have to use a lot of concealer. So this is especially helpful. Using is the Light Illusion Perfecting Powder. It comes with a little sponge on the bottom, which is always nice. It separates it from the actual compact. And I'm using a concealer brush and I am blending in my concealer, making sure to tap the excess powder off always. And this is the best way to set your under eye concealer. Now I'm using the powder all over my face to set the foundation. This color is called Sun Swept, and it really does give you a really beautiful glow because it has almost like a highlighter in it. And then for good measure, I add a little cream blush, and this one is Gel Crush Lip and Cheek, so you can actually use this on your lips. I do not, I only use it on my cheeks. It is Blackberry Crush, and as you can see, it really just gives you more of a healthy glow than just wearing bronzer. It's time for some eyeshadow. I love her quad. It's called Petal Play, and there are 4 colors in it. The first color I'm using is Sandstone. Just a really pretty, almost like a rose gold, and I'm using this on my lid and in the corner. I like a lighter color on the lid. I feel like it really brightens me up. And the quality of these eyeshadows is really nice. They're pigmented and they don't have a lot of talc. The next color I'm using is this really beautiful shimmery, it's called Daybreak. I'm using that. Is the dark brown, which is called Java. And that is going on the brow bone and in the corner. This is pretty much how I do my makeup on a regular, so I just love this quad, and it's real small and you can just put it in your purse, and like I said, the quality of the eyeshadows are really great. Next, of course, is eyeliner, and this is their Forever Wear Longwear eyeliner in Brownstone. So I'm going to put it on top and on the bottom, and then I'm going to smudge it out. I like dark brown. I don't like black. I think for me, black's a little harsh. A small fine eyeliner brush and just blending the eyeshadow. Next is mascara. It is Lash Warrior. I like the name of it. It's in jet black. And I really found that this mascara went on really nice. It has a nice applicator. It's a little big for my taste, but the mascara really didn't run. It stayed on all day. I would definitely suggest trying her mascara. Next is lipstick, and I absolutely fell in love with this Mix and Matte Lip Duo. One side is the lipstick, which I'm using right now, and I just love this color. It's just a beautiful red with a little bit of coral undertones. And then the other side is lip gloss, which I use both of them. Sometimes I go back in and I added a little blush. The last step in any makeup application is, of course, your setting spray, and I love the Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. It gives you a dewy finish, as you can see. That's it, my queens. Have a great day.